Monday, 7 a.m. We're back on my favorite spot, Total Fitness in Langley. Okay, guys, so today we're gonna be training legs. We're gonna be focusing a little more in the front part, and we're gonna start with hamstrings. Actually, believe it or not, I like to warm up my hamstrings before I do all the exercises we're gonna be doing today, because we're gonna be doing a lot of volume. We're gonna be doing leg press, hack squats, and those kind of exercises that targets basically the entire area of your legs, right? So I do this just to make sure they're nice and warm. And we're gonna start now with leg extensions, okay? This one, same thing, because the first exercise for quads, we're gonna do 2 warm-up sets between 50 to 20 reps. So you can even go to failure. Make sure you get a really nice burn, get the veins flowing, the blood flowing, and yeah, we're gonna do between 8 to 10 reps or 4 sets, okay? Then we're gonna jump in right into leg press. This one over here, I try to put my legs kind of the same level as my shoulders, aligned to my shoulders. That way we target the entire area all over legs. You can do it wider if you like, to do a little more into your abductors and your hamstrings. Or you can even do it closer together, and that way you're targeting actually more your quads. Either or works really, really well. I like to switch it up. You can also do a single leg as well. That way you're basically targeting one leg at a time. And yeah, it's amazing. It's one of my favorites. Then we jump in right into hack squats. This one over here, be really careful. I injured my knees a long time ago when I was younger, so my knees are a little bit weak. So I try not to go too heavy. I try to go not too low as well. So I go to like 90 degrees with the safest. You can go a little lower if you like, but just be really careful, okay? And this exercise over here, same thing. You get to feel your knees if you're lifting too heavy and you're going way too low. I try to go a little bit lower than 90 degrees, but I only put 2 plates of 45. I don't really go too heavy. And my feet, you see, they're a little bit closer together. That way I only targeting my quads, and I don't put too much pressure on my knees. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go to one of machines that you don't really see much at the gyms, right? But this one is awesome. It targets, your quads, hammies, glutes. Just be really careful when you lay down, because of the way of the movement. It lifts your spine a little bit and your lower back. So be really careful. Make sure you have the proper amount of weight and you do the proper range of motion to avoid any pain on your lower back or any injuries later on. And we're gonna finish it up with calves, like we did a last video. I do calves quite often. This one I do between 5 to 6 sets to failure most of the time. And right after my workout, I usually do 20 minutes of cardio. Actually, I always do 20 minutes of cardio. When I do legs, I do either the elliptical or the treadmill. But when I'm training upper body, I do the stairs. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys have any questions, go ahead. I will try to answer as fast as possible. Thanks again. Bye.